up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? These chips are so good. If anyone hasn't tried these, this is a kettle cooked Lay's chips. They're barbecue. They're so good. Oh my gosh. So guys, as you know, Halloween is over and I know I miss it so much. You're definitely gonna miss the kids, you're gonna miss the candies, you're gonna miss the next dentist appointments, you're gonna miss all these different things. But now Thanksgiving is just around the corner. So with Thanksgiving, I can't wait for this, I can't wait for this, or this. It's about to be awesome. So for today's video, I actually did a makeup tutorial for Thanksgiving. I know you guys want to be around family, eat all these amazing food, so I created this awesome makeup look. Let me know what you guys think. The eyeshadows that I use is actually from the Huda Beauty. This is the Warm Brown Obsessions palette. I use this as one of my old videos, sometimes I think last year. I'll go ahead and link that up here, but this is something a little bit brand new. And then I jumped into the Juvia's Place palette. So guys, if you actually want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and stay tuned. Guys, so as you can see, this is the final look. And if you guys really do love this video, don't forget to give it a big old fat old thumbs up, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like and comment down below everything that I use in the whole entire video, including my face. Even though I didn't show my face routine, it's going to be in the description box down below. And if you have any questions on anything, please guys let me know, okay? And thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.